In order to make these necklaces, you'll need these pendant trays and these glass gems or cabochons that are rounded on one side and flat on the other. And of course, it needs to fit inside the tray perfectly. I got these ones on Etsy and I chose them because they seemed a bit sturdier and thicker than some of the other ones I saw, so I can link them here if you're interested in these ones. Next, take your gem and test it out on some craft paper or a greeting card or a personal photo to see if any of those small pictures look good as a necklace. The nice thing about Joann's and Michael's is you can buy single sheets of craft paper there. You don't have to buy a whole pack. Once you've chosen a picture, put your gem on it, trace it, and cut it out. Next, you'll need some Mod Podge to seal the paper because the glue you'll be using next can sometimes be corrosive to the paper. If it has this shiny metallic finish to it, you're going to want to use a few coats because it's extra delicate. Mod Podge the front, side, and back so it's completely sealed. Then as an extra precaution, add some Mod Podge to the inside of the pendant tray because sometimes the paper can react to the metal as well. Once everything dries, put your picture in the pendant tray. Then you'll need some E6000 glue to glue everything together. Cover the flat side of the glass with a generous amount of glue. Then put the glass on the pendant tray and squeeze them together to get all the bubbles out. Don't be concerned if glue seeps out of the sides because once it dries, it's pretty easy to peel off. However, if there are any tiny pieces of glue that are hard to get to, just run a toothpick along the perimeter and you'll be able to get them out. At this point, you can just add a chain and your necklace is complete. Or if you're like me, you may want to add some charms as well.